Hello and welcome back to another episode of Home Body Weight Workout, Home Exercise, Home Fitness. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a chest exercise. I'm going to focus on the chest today, and I'm going to use two nightstands to do a chest exercise. I'm going to go down a little bit below the level of the wooden chest here or nightstands. Try to do as many as I can, go to fail, and then also do a little bit of a superset along with that. So this is a good exercise using two sturdy pieces of furniture in your home or in your hotel room as you're traveling or something like that. Without further ado, what I'm going to do is just put my hands on here firmly. See, this one's moving around a little bit. So just bring your body down, keep steady. Okay, breathe normally. Hold your feet together, cross one leg over the other as you're doing them. And I'm bringing my body down a little bit lower than the plane of the exercise, but that's okay. Let's slip in a little bit. Just try to, be in control of the exercise. More or less, just try to be in control of the exercise as you're doing them. And then as you're doing these, you can also superset in between. I want to get a couple sets in first. And then I'm going to do a superset in between by just using one of the nightstands to do a quick superset. This was a little unsteady here, but okay, it's okay. All right, side a little bit. All right, so just get going again. Don't rest too much between the sets. Bring my body down below the level a bit. So I'm just bringing my body down a little bit below the level here. That makes it a little more challenging. Just don't overextend as you're doing them. Okay. All right, so it's quite a challenging exercise, especially when you're going down below the level of your body, the level of under the level of your body of the plane of the exercise there. Oh, just adds a little extra challenge to it. And if you want to superset, you can sort of just kind of put your hands together and just do a little bit of this. It's about the same angle, but it adds a little extra difficulty to it. Okay. And that's all. Just do a couple of those in between. But I'm going to do more of these ones also. Just try to go to fail. All right. This one, straighten this one out a little bit. All right. And let's go again. Put over the other. Oh, it does get pretty challenging after a while. Going under. All right. Going under the plane of the exercise. Just do as many as you can, and then superset it on the edge here to add a little extra difficulty to the exercise. So let's try to superset that again. Again. Bring your body down. Hands together. Keep your balance. All right. Oh, and that can be pretty challenging. Oh, all right. So just, keep going, go. Rest only as much as you need to catch your breath, and then go again. You can really feel on the outsides of your muscles. All right. So you can really feel it on the outside of your muscles as you're doing. And you can do a little flex in between to get a little extra pump into the muscle. 20, 30 seconds. Just pump the muscle a little bit. All right, it's probably enough in between. And again, put your hands together to get a little superset in here. All right. So it's turning into a pretty effective workout, and just keep going, and try to finish the exercise as quickly as possible. Otherwise, you can get a little, you can feel like you don't want to go on anymore if you stop, or just, I don't know. It's more, it's easier just to relax. All right, so let's go one more time. In below, breathe normally. So again, you can really fine tune it because you don't have to worry about dropping weights on you or something like that, like you do in a gym, or dropping weights on the floor, hurting the ground, or hurting yourself or something else or someone else. All right, let's superset again. Hands together. Keep your balance. All right. Whew. All right, let me give it another flex, just to get a little extra pump in the middle of the workout. Oh. All right, so that gives you a little extra here in the muscle, and just not to rest too long, not to pause too long. Let's get one more time. Okay, so I'm starting to get pretty tired now, but I'm just going to keep going until I can't go anymore. And get a quick superset here on this guy. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay, so that's turning into a pretty effective workout. All right, let's go one more time here. Don't pause too long. Just keep going, keep in action, keep in motion. Okay. Whew. Okay. And superset one more time. Okay, and again, you can do all this just using common, household items like a couple nightstands here, a couple chairs. The nightstands give me a little higher angle than the chairs, so it adds a little variation to the workout. All right, and almost done here. All right, and then a quick superset here. Whew, getting pretty tired now. All right, so that just adds a little extra challenge to the workout. a little bit of extra torture there on the end of the workout. All right, so let's go one more time with this one. Let's try to see if we can do another one. Just remember, don't go too long to where you injure yourself. Oh. And today I'm not using opposite angles. I'm using basically the same angle, which you can do to vary your workout a little bit too. You don't always have to use opposite angles. The more variation you get, the better typically. Okay. Whew. All right, and go one more here. Okay. My muscles have just about reached my chest muscles just about reached the, the terminal fail point. All right, so let's go one more time here. Quickie. You can feel my shoulders getting ready to lock up. Oh. All right, so that should probably be the extent of the workout. Just give another quick flex to give your muscles a little bit extra tear, and then pretty much ready to call it quits for today for the chest workout. Just get as good of a workout as you can, and try to keep on your toes all the time. Go, don't give up, and stay motivated. And you'll gain muscle at home, lose weight, feel good about yourself. That's what it's all about. All right, so that's about good enough. And thank you for joining me on this home body weight workout, home fitness, home exercise, home workout. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye bye.